Hello, everyone. It's Antonio Sayan from TechBit News. I hope everybody's okay today. I'm doing great. Fantastic. I am using a different computer today because I wanted to demonstrate something to you. I have a 21.5 inch iMac, 2017. Yes, that's right, 2017. And for a long time, I used it as a paperweight because it was so slow. It was driving me nuts. It was just unacceptable. I even deleted all these videos and stuff that I had. I moved it into a storage disk. And even with all that, it was still slow. I have a MacBook Pro. I do everything on that laptop, and it's super fast. And also, I have the brand new M4 24-inch iMac, and it's fully loaded. And that's just an amazing machine. I wanted to salvage this 2017. I just don't have the time. I'm always flying around and I'm a film producer and film and television, so I'm always busy. So it's very hard for me, but I love tech. I love everything about tech. And I came across the crucial portable SSD, the X9 Pro for the Mac, which is voila. And I said, you know what? Let me try to install this. So I did. I installed it onto this computer, which is what I'm speaking to you to. And plus, I'm using the webcam here because everything's set up in my office. I got the Canon camera and the state of the art mixing and all that good stuff. I got it all over there. But I wanted to use this as an example that I used the crucial X9 SSD, and I went into, as you can see, I installed it looking back on my computer. There you go. As you can see, I connected it, and then I went into my utility app on the Mac, as you can see here. And what I did was I took everything from the hard drive and cloned it to the SSD. I'm not going to show you how to do it because it would take me too long to do it. As a matter of fact, it took about 2 hours for the whole transition to happen. And once I did that, I just told my computer during the startup disk to utilize the new SSD from now on. So this way, when it boots up on the new SSD, it happened, and now it is fast as hell. I got the 2 terabyte one. So I really recommend this. Now, if you want to learn all this stuff, it's easy. Just go on YouTube. There's a lot of people teaching you, and you can learn that, how to do it. I'm just delivering the news. This is a wonderful product. And I looked at many. And this, I think, is the best. Because if you go on YouTube, a lot of people, there's pros and cons of many of them. But I like this one the best. So anyway, this is proof because here I am using it, and it's very fast. And it's like a brand new computer. And I don't want to waste it because I got many years left on this computer, and I thought maybe I had to trash it or actually recycle it and give it back to Apple or something because it was just useless. That's how bad it was. It made no sense. It made no sense at all. But anyway, to make a long story short, here you go. It worked, and I'll leave you a link to it. Anybody who wants to do it, my suggestion is that you go on YouTube, find out how to install it. Maybe I'll do a video. If you want me to do that, I'll do it. But it'll take me time to do it. But honestly, it's really simple. I suggest that if you have an old model from 2012 to 2019, this is the way to go. And that's all I can say. Anyway, subscribe. Catch you later on the next one.